Hello family, welcome to yet another edition of the 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 Solutions. It's always nice having you here, and to the new viewers, you are most welcome. Please kindly hit that subscription button as a way of supporting our work. To the old people, please keep it up. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to partition a hard drive in Windows 10. So without wasting any of our time, let's start right away. So we're gonna open up this Explorer folder, and in this Explorer folder we go to this PC folder, or in some computers it's my computer folder. So you're gonna right click on this PC, then look for manage. So we go into this manage and click on manage. Once we click on manage, it will bring up this interface. And in this interface, we go to storage, the storage folder here, and expand it to get the disk management. So we click on disk management, place the cursor on disk management, and click on it. It will give you this display right here. Now on this display right here, this is it shows you the disks which are installed on this laptop, or rather computer. And this is the main disk carrying the operating system, with other disk partitions of containing the recovery files. And so this is the if I take you back to this PC folder, which is this one, you realize that we have one partition, one hard drive which is installed, and it's a 500 GB. It's a 500 GB hard drive. So this is the hard drive that we are interested in partitioning. So let's go back. Let me minimize this and go back to my interface here, which shows the hard drive. So you have to right click on this hard drive C, which carries the operating system. So I will right click, and on right clicking I follow through to this word which reads shrink volume. Shrink volume. So I click on shrink volume. Click on shrink volume. It will open up. Now once it opens up this interface, it will show me this hard drive sizes, which are the total size before shrink in MBs is this number. Then it will give me the size available shrink space in MBs also. Now this is where I'm supposed to enter the volume that I'm supposed to partition. So in case I want to, for example, this is 500, the total space, or rather the total size is 500 GB, and remember 1 GB is equivalent to 1000 MBs. So implying that for this 1 GB we're having 500,000 MBs. That's why it's displaying 437,253. So this is the space available minus the used space, which is space, or rather space, this one here, which runs the operating system recovery files, or rather it's a system partition for the operating system. So in this case I'm having a total of 500 GB, 500,000, which is equivalent to 500,000 MBs. So in this case I want to partition it to only strictly, if I want to have, maybe for example I want to remain with 200 GB running the operating system, which is drive C, and then the rest I give it 300 GB. So for this case, let me give it 300,000 MBs. And after that I enter that, I'll shrink. I click on shrink. So once I click on shrink, it will give me this total unallocated hard drive. So once it gives me this unallocated hard drive, I have to locate it in order for it to show. So for example, if I open this PC folder, it doesn't show here because it's not yet located, but it's a sign that it is available but not yet allocated. So I'll right click on it in order for it to be allocated. So I right click on it, then click on new a simple volume. Then I'll click on next. It will give me this to show me the volume that I'm supposed to remain with, or rather the volume that I'm supposed to partition. And after that, after entering that figure, I'll just click on next, since it's the allocated. So here it will give me an option of assigning the drive. Remember, the main drive is C, so I give it any drive letter character that I would like it to have. But my default one, which has been given to me, is D. So in case you want to change any, you can choose any letter that you want. But for my case, let me choose D. And you choose if you want to mount this empty folder, or rather, but me, I'll just choose this later. So after that, I'll click on next, and it will give me these details. It will ask me the file format that I would like to partition my hard drive, but in this case, let me maintain the NTFS volume, and it will ask for a label that I would like to have. So you give it any name that you want, and in this case, me, I'm just leaving it. The default one is new volume, and I'll just click on. Once I'm done, I'll click on perform a quick format and enable file folder compression in case I want to have it compressed. So in that regards, I'll just give it a label, volume label, which is new volume, and I'll click on next. So once I'm done, I'll click on finish. So it will format the hard drive and click on, and it will finish. So once it's done, it will give me a notification message down here. And let's try opening this PC folder. Here we are with our new volume empty. If I'm to check on the properties, to check on the size, this is the size. So it has shrunk some bits. So this is the actual size, and that is how we can partition our hard drive. Thank you for watching. See you soon.